interest rates following its decision to cut its policy rate by 0.25 percentage point in its first meeting of 2020. The central bank policy rate now stands at 8.25% following Monday's meeting, down from the 8.5% set in the November 2019 meeting. The banking regulator took the decision to cut the policy rate on the back of an economy it argues is operating below its potential, coupled with measures being instituted to cut back on government spending. The committee also lowered the CBR at its previous meeting in November to 8.5% from 9% soon after the repeal of the interest rate caps. Growth in credit to the private sector now stands at its highest point since the adoption of rate caps in August 2016, having registered a 7.1% growth rate in December of 2019. And moving on, the revamped port of Kisumu will be complete in 2 weeks. This is according to the Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia, who says that the project is 98% complete. Oko Okusa with the details.
Speaking while on an inspection tour of the port, which is undergoing facelift, Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia sought to allay fears that the project had hit a dead end. This comes just a fortnight after the port's official opening was shelved once again in circumstances which remain unclear. The CS disclosed that the postponement was due to pending completion.
We have done the assessment with the County Commissioner, with the DCC, with the Chairman of Kenya Ports Authority, with the MD of Kenya Ports Authority, with Kenya Railways, and we have assessed. We have agreed the port is ready about 80% complete. And we agreed that within the next 2 weeks, the 2% which is outstanding will be completed.
The port's commissioning has been postponed more than twice, triggering concerns among stakeholders and residents who are hoping to benefit from job opportunities created by the upgrade.
We are very, very happy with the progress. Today, if you go there, you find the port is ready, everything is ready, basically. The access roads, you've seen, they've been done. We're just tweaking a few issues here and there to make sure that anything outstanding has been cleared.
The controversy surrounding the project cost also featured during the briefing.
When we get now that extra 2%, we shall have the balance sheet of the project done. We shall make sure it's audited to make sure the figures are okay. Then thereafter we can be able to tell you it was so much.
The port's rehabilitation cost has been a subject of conflict, with the government dismissing earlier reports that it had set aside 3 billion shillings for the project. It later emerged that the project's estimated total cost was to the tune of 800 million shillings, a figure which is still under probe. Oko Okusa, NTV.